requested to transport department to waive off 50% fine.
हाँ माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा लगा। और एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है, उन्होंने सिर्फ 11th तक डेट एक्सटेंड कर गए, तो कुछ आदमियों को वो मनी एडजस्ट करने नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए छोटा प्रॉब्लम है।
मेरा फाइन 10,000 था, अभी 5,250 हो गया है, तो मुझे और भी थोड़ा मतलब मैं तो सैलरी से काम करता हूँ, तो 10,000 बनने की जगह आधा पेमेंट तो बच गया मेरा।
We have a large number of traffic violations pending since 7 years. And recently, in a meeting with the Karnataka Legal Services Authority and Transport Department officials, this issue was discussed. And as per the discussion in the meeting, it was requested to Transport Department to waive off 50% fine. So the Transport Department has issued the notification waiving of 50% of all pending violations up to 11th February. So 11th February till 11th February 2023, whoever is coming and paying the fines for the pending notices, these will be given a rebate of 50%. So already now, since morning today, we have cleared about 1,42,000 cases that has been disposed of now, and almost 4 crore fine amount have been collected. So that way it's a good beginning today, and we have another next 9 days to clear the backlog. Since people are not coming and paying the fines, and these are all pending for a very long time now, that is why people have been encouraged, because we are going for a next new concepts in future for integrating with transport department for fitness certification as well as insurance renewal also. So for that we want to clear off the old fines. So that is the reason why this has been done. Approximately it may be around 400 to 500 crores. We have about more than 2 crore notices pending. So now we feel that all these notices will be cleared. Response has been quite good. We have cleared almost 1,42,000 cases.
So is it payment through online or even physical payment can be?
Physical, online, everything is there.
आधा पेमेंट बच गया, थोड़ा अच्छा ही है। और इसके बाद से मुझे सीख भी मिल गई कि आज के बाद एक 10 मिनट वेट कर लो सिग्नल पे, आराम से निकलो, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं करके थोड़ा सीख मिल गया, थैंक्स टू बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक पुलिस।
और एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है, उन्होंने सिर्फ 11th तक डेट एक्सटेंड कर गए, तो कुछ आदमियों को वो मनी एडजस्ट करने नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए छोटा प्रॉब्लम है। बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने पे कर दिया। 5,000 चेंज था तो 2,500 कुछ हुआ।